Hello, welcome back to Canopy Cloth. I am a cloth seller who designs clothes on Twitch streams. I'm from Canopy. Hope you guys like this video. Sorry for the malfunction. Sorry for the construction noise in the background. This would be eyeballs. Eyes. The bridge of the nose. The lips. The hair. I know people usually don't make hair, but at the first beginning, but I enjoy making hair, even though it's difficult for me to do that. The head would be somewhere here, so I don't think I should put the strand. Yeah, this height is good enough. Now comes to eye. Okay, done with the sketching part. Now let's color. Sorry for the background noise. I chose this color because it was dull. So if I have the background noise, I don't live alone. Maybe something like the shadow and the light hitting each other. And the shadow is very harsh on the skin, and this is the original skin tone I'm working on with. Mash it together. I'm gonna merge the things together so that it's lighter shade. Sorry for the background noise. Sorry for the background noise. I don't live alone. I think there would be a shadow caster right here and here. Going to merge and blend it nicely. Okay, done with that part. I'm planning on doing the rest of the skin before I decide with anything else. I'm gonna do the neck. Part. And all this skin, rest of the skin, I'm gonna blend it in together. Na, 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 na. Blend everything together. If you can hear the traffic noise, congratulations, my stream noise is getting better. Since last time my voice wasn't clear at all. I heard from few of my friends who watched my stream. I am gonna shamelessly promote my merchandise, which is canopy cloth, for which I am making this art for. I'm just gonna go black. I think dark color. I have to go out on different layer. Make a new layer. No, 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 no. That is not supposed to be any character. I'm just making characters out of my brain right now. Thanks, man. Thank you a lot. I appreciate it. From where are you from? I know that sounds creepy, but I don't know how to do this. This is my first time doing the streams. I'll blend this in. Ah, that's lovely. Actually, I'm making this design to sell as merch on my website. It's on Canopy Cloth. Sorry, that sounds so weird, but yeah. If you like this, please do check it out. There are only two clothes right now, and this is the third cloth I'm gonna make and post it there. I'm gonna make the eyes bluish color. Do you always like got art? Okay, it's fine. Okay, it doesn't look nice. I think this is better. I'm gonna change the color of the eyes. I'm gonna change the color of the eyes and make it a little bit brownish, greenish color. That's it. I'm gonna work on hair. What kind of art do you like? Make it bluish. Yeah, this is a perfect color. My character wouldn't have eyebrows. She looks fine without it. Okay, blue color doesn't suit her tone. Something dark word. Thank you very much, man. Appreciated it. This is like my second stream, and I have someone to talk with. That is really awesome, man. Thanks you so much. It's okay. Bye. Na, 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 na. Okay. I'll just save my chat first. On forbid if this crashes. I'm just gonna write OC as a cringy way. Done. Oh, why my shop name is called Canopy Cloth? Because I'm from the nation called as Canopy. And this is the goddess called as Canopy. No, just kidding. Her name is Clara. I know, very gothic goddess. She is not Clara, her name is Flynn, and she is the goddess of like technology. And I wanted to make her depressing vibes. So her name is Finn, and my capital is called as Klola. That's why I decided to draw this character, public, very religious character in my own style. She doesn't have hearts. I just decided to add it. I thought it might give it a cool tone to it. She has complete full hearts, not breaking, broken. Sorry, but yeah, I love to make her hair blue, even though it's dark blue, darker to a point where only it's black, and in sunlight, or very few people can see this natural color of hers. And she formed the world of steampunk, as we know. It is said that in the era that she was there were a lot of fights. I mean, Cold War happened just around the corner in 1837, and the richest era in 1860, which we live in right now. So I'm very much thankful towards her and Laura working together. That's why our capital is called as Klola, because it has both plants and technology at the same time, and we rely on coal a lot to for our technology to work, and coal has been something that is running out and causing global issues and rise of temperatures that we don't know how to control anymore. Anyways, I'm gonna give some highlights to her hair, Lynn's hair. This is the color, right? So I'm gonna choose a lighter color. Okay. Highlights are gonna be here. Then I'm just experimenting around. I've never done this before. I'm sorry if you can still hear the background noise. It looks weird. I'm gonna blur it out a little bit. If you guys have any questions, please add to the stream. Whatever I draw, I sell it on my website on Canopy Cloth. So if you're interested, please do check it out. Highly appreciate it. If you do, check it out. This looks a little bit weird. I'm gonna add undertones to it. I usually don't do my and like characters hair like this. I was just experimenting around and now it looks weird, a bit weird and wobbly. Just gonna put highlight. I think where the highlights are supposed to be. I'm only using one brush as a challenge. I'm stupid, I know. I should keep changing brushes. Okay. Voila. Alright. Anyway. Blood and blood, 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 baby. Blur them out. They don't look as weird as they used to. Originally, I was planning on making the eyes red in color, but I decided not to because it would look cringy as hell because her original eyes were green in color and it's a goddess, so we don't want to mess with her. What if she curses me even though I'm atheist? That's why. Oh, guys might be wondering if I'm atheist, so I'm drawing her because she's beautiful and I'm sapphic for her. And I'm gonna give highlights here. It looks nice and flowy. Nice and flowy. Lovely. I hope her hair doesn't look weird per se. Anyways, I'm done with her. I'm gonna remove the background, see all the fonts, go in here, take the color, start filling in the gaps. Okay, this is gonna be the solution for now. Blending, 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 blending. It looks better. You guys might be thinking, why am I removing the background? Because when I actually post it, I want it without the background, so it looks nice on the t-shirt print that I'm gonna print later. Oh shit, I forgot something. Okay, I'm going to put it here. Done. Nick. Brush. So you guys might be thinking, why did I change the place? Because this is the size I have to share with the people so that they can like make the t-shirt happen. Increase the size a little bit. Cover it up. Mm, anyway, no 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 no. She has very long hair, so I'm gonna give her long hair because my goddess really has long hair. Even though she's god of metal and coal, she has long hair. Don't worry, she's not naked. Although I would love her to be naked, but she's not naked. Don't worry, guys. Anyway, anyway, I'm gonna give highlights where it is needed. Here, here, and here. And then do the magic. And it looks a little bit weird, but stay with me. And here, a bit. Okay, done. Now about her clothes. Since she is god of metal, I'm gonna make some metallic clothes. For sorry, got it. I'm doing a challenge where I don't change the brush. And so biblically she doesn't wear any clothes, but I'm giving her clothes because I don't wanna get just in trouble. Since she's goddess of steel, I'm gonna make some gifts because she's also the goddess of technology and invention. I'm just gonna blur them out. No. Wait. There we go. No lines like that. I'm gonna use this to make shadows. Shadows in. Oh, this looks weird. I'm gonna cut it in. I'm gonna make a silver suit that shines. Okay. I don't know how to make clothes shine, so this is my first time doing it in this software. Anyways, come on. So basically, there's a book where Spike, the Almighty God, describes her when he first meets her. She isn't wearing clothes, so he makes clothes for her. And the clothes are divided into two parts. One is the metal, with the very technical part, and the other half is very free and creative part. So I'm drawing the technical part, so that's why I'm drawing a checkerboard. Since chess, you know, the most humanly technical game out there. Just gonna redraw it so it looks better. Done. I'm gonna make another layer. Something like reduce its opacity, flow, and then voila. Then I'm gonna opacity and then give it borders. If it looks nice enough fish. So sorry I can't make the other side visible. It's supposed to be very freeish. I'm using white colors. It's very supposed to be an abstract design. Done. I'm gonna save her name as it is. Flynn. Flin. Okay. Then, you know what? I'm gonna rework on the heart since it's supposed to be full heart. I'm gonna give full heart, and it's supposed to be red in color, orangish color. So I'm gonna give it orangish color. You know? Nah, it looks worse. This looks better. Got it. Make the heart like this. I'm gonna reduce its opacity. And done there. Ooh, it's overlay. Yeah, overlay. So now it looks like the heart is complete but incomplete at the same time. Um, gonna wrap up a new project. Any suggestions from you guys? Alright, so this time I'm gonna make Clara, which is the goddess of trees, forest, and leaves, which live in the technology, and the trees are getting cut down. So I'm gonna draw her right now, and I'm gonna make her very gothic in nature. I'm gonna change the art style right now. Like saying it's like playing the fate game, when you get the fate cards and you decide to see and you are like, oh, it's gonna be something like that. She's gonna be completely green in color. Just kidding. She's not inspired by this creature at all. Okay. Done with the base color quotation, quote unquote. I'm gonna reduce its opacity a little bit and lock it up. Okay, I'm gonna start working with the face. I'm gonna cover it up with green color. Like the previous drawing, I'm gonna use the same brush. Then Then comes the skin. And just laying out basic colors and seeing what happens. I'm like, what up, Belle? Not swearing, so don't worry about it. I want to increase the size a bit. Let's increase the size a bit. Okay, done. Okay, she doesn't have the scar, so why am I giving her a scar? Now redo it. Eyes will be designed like this. It's like putting up makeup. One side is bigger, other side is smaller. And you gotta make it fixable somehow. Not screw this. Screw this. I'm gonna make her asymmetrical like a normal human being instead of a goddess that she is. Okay. Now I'm gonna blend it in here. Putting down the sketch. Dissolve the sketch. Nose. When Spike met her for the first time, he described her as something else. Half human face and half cat face. So I'm gonna portray her like that. He said that he was astonished to see her flourish. Since she is surrounded by technology, she would be decaying because people don't care about her anymore. And if you like any of the designs I'm making, do check out Canopy Cloth. That is in my bio websites, that one of the websites that I've linked down below. Since she is dying, I'm gonna make her very, 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 very pale and sad. She's gonna, since she hasn't showered for that long, she's gonna have her head tied up, but in not tidy in position. I don't know how to explain. He explains that her hair looks beautiful yet delicate, yet something that could be used as a weapon. So I'm gonna use this as an opportunity to make dreadlocks for the character. I've never made dreadlocks, as you can see how terrible it is looking. This is my first time trying things out and I'm very happy about it. Okay. Um, I think this looks nice enough. I'm just making very gentle design because I think this is gonna help me out. I hope. I think I should borrow color palette from here. Forgot which color I was using. Such a dumbass I am. Just too lazy right now. So I'm gonna put back down. Not dark enough. Sorry if the plates look terrible. I'm gonna use this tool, eyedrop tool, to get the color right. Sorry for the background noise. So neck ends here. Just kidding, she doesn't have any necklace. I thought she did, didn't you? No. Told you I was lazy, didn't I? Okay, when it comes to skin, I can do it. Can you make her pretty? Unless she's supposed to be very scary, I can make her pretty. Make another layer, put it here underneath this layer. Then right shoulders should end. Okay, this is matching with the hair. This is a perfect curl. I hope you guys are enjoying my stream so far. This is my second character called as Clara. Clara means she's a goddess of forest and natural habitat, and since the civilization and technology has taken over steampunk, she has been dying. So that's why I decided to portray her, because she is one of the most underrated character, most one of the most underrated goddesses, because people don't care about her anymore. Not a lot of people worship her because she doesn't bring prosperity. Only farmers worship her. A lot of people used to worship her, and she used to look very youthful. Now she looks old because of her loss of power, and she's covered in nothingness. She's literally naked. Mm. In her youth, she didn't look like that, and She used to look one of the most beautiful goddess out there, but due to technology, Flynn taking over, she started looking like this. Don't worry, she doesn't resent Flynn for all of this change in the world. Sorry for the background noise. Sorry for the background noise again. She's very old. She's decades old. Nobody knows how old she is. It's very hard to find her. I mean, she's a god. Of course, it's hard to find her. Anyways, I'm gonna remove the background. The background. I'm gonna put a dark color underneath it so her face doesn't just go transparent when I add it to the design. Or I'm gonna put it everywhere into her body. Because I don't want her fingers to disappear. I'm talking weird. Here you go. Laura. Say this. Cielo. Laura. I hope you guys like what you're seeing because I'll be making more of this kind. My first dossier was this, which transferred into this, which is Flynn, the goddess of technology, which is flourishing in this world because of use of coal and metal and very advancement of technology. And this is Flora, who has been very much old aging, as due to which because of Flynn taking over the thing, because humans are getting greedier and want to learn more about things and don't care about nature anymore. So she's very scarce in nature. I mean, in our world, since trees have been cut down and agriculture isn't something people are focusing on nowadays. This like 1860 is the era right now, so people don't care about anything but wealth because everybody is rich. Was before this, like this is 1861 December 10th, and people used to be very poor before this. Just kidding, this is not December at all. And stop looking at, hey, why is it saying 2024? I don't know why, but that is one of the weirdest things. I'm gonna find out in the next stream. If you like whatever you are making, please like and comment. But I'm still confused about why is there why is there 6/12/2024? I don't know. I hope you guys figured that mystery out, even though this is clearly 1840. This is clearly 1840. 1840s, not 2014, not 2024. This is 1840. Where the technology is so high and advanced that we have created digital computers and PCs. Adios. See you guys in the next stream.